Visit the Anaconda website. Go to the Anaconda distribution page. Either click Submit button by providing email address or click on Skip Registration. As of now, I chose Skip Registration. Choose your operating system. Select the appropriate version for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Download the installer. Click the download button for the Python 3.x version. The download should start automatically. Locate the downloaded file, .exe for Windows, .package for macOS, or .sh for Linux, and double-click to start the installation. Follow the setup wizard. Click Next on the welcome screen. Accept the license agreement. Choose whether to install for all users or just for your user account. Select the directory where you want to install Anaconda. Default is recommended. Choose Advanced Options. Click Install. Once it finishes, click Next. Click Finish to complete the setup. Thank you for watching.